welcome to my channel. In today's video, it is another Vlogmas video. I am going to check out Nantou City in Shenzhen, but before I head out, I'm going to go to one of my favorite cafes in Shenzhen. It's called Blend. Stay tuned. Alright, so brunch is a wrap, so now I am walking towards the bus stop so I can get to the ancient city. Apparently all the routes are mostly bus. You could metro there, but it is a far walk from the metro station. So I've made it inside this mini pavilion with a timeline about porcelain, and they have like different artifacts that you can see and learn more about. So Nantou City is an ancient town inside Shenzhen. There's actually a couple of different like villages and things like that in Shenzhen, but there's not as many, I believe, as other cities, since Shenzhen is quite a new city. It's around 40-ish years old. So yeah, Nantou City is nice. You can walk through different museums, they're free to enter, and you can see different relics from the past. is pretty much a wrap. It was a nice walk. I was here for about an hour. I walked through different like small museums. There's a lot of bars and brunch spots here, so it's definitely nice to come out for a walk and have a drink or food.
公司到了，请带好您的行李物品，从后门下车。下车。
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.